Hey, what's up? This is Preston with 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐜 Guitar, and in this video we're going to go over basic picking techniques. So grab your guitar pick, and let's get started. There's a lot of misinformation on this subject, and it's really simple. So I'm going to go over to the other camera. Okay, so you see my guitar pick right now? So when you pick, you don't put the pick flat on the strings. You see that? And you go like this. There's a term that people use, flat picking, which I'm always so confused by this because no one flat picks. Look, and every guitar pick is flat. I don't know where this comes from. Here's a secret. It's just at an angle, 45 degrees. If you pick flat, it sounds so bad. It sounds so abrasive, and your pick's gonna get caught. All right? So I need you to understand this, and you'll instantly start playing better. Again, this is one of those little tips that's like, guitar playing's upgraded. Took like 3 seconds. Make sense? So when you pick, we're gonna try and pick in a straight line. What you don't want to do is go like this and then end up over here. Do you see how I just put a bunch of tension on my wrist? We want to pick in a straight line as much as possible, right? You don't want to like gravitate and pick that way. You don't want to gravitate and end up over there. Just like that. Okay, so now you know basic guitar picking technique and the basics of how to hold a guitar pick. I'm going to give you a little exercise to give you something to practice, okay? Here it comes. I want you to go right here. 10, 12. We're in tablature, obviously. 10, 12, 10, 12, all the way up. And then I want you to go 12, 10, 12, 10, all the way down. And you can practice this picking down, then up, right? Those are the symbols for picking or strumming. All right, so just a little demonstration. First finger, third finger. All right, so just like that. Now, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and if you have questions on this topic, be sure to make a comment in the comment section below, and I'd be happy to respond to your questions, make another video, make a clarification, whatever needed. Okay? Great. We'll see you in the next videos.